These days, a common trend is manufacturing God's will. People are trying to manufacture God's will. So here is how you can differentiate manufacture God's will from the original God's will. So in manufacture God's will, you will find they are trying to, those who are explaining, they are trying to seek their own benefit. Means to own the God's goodness, you have to pay something. But in God's will, in original God's will, God wants good for everyone, for you and for me and for everyone. God wants good, and to get that goodness, you don't have to pay anything. It is free for everyone. So this is the first. And second thing, you will find those who are manufacturing God's will, they are trying to place people either somewhere in hierarchy, somewhere up, somewhere down. They are trying to place it. So if this is case, then that is manufactured God's will, because before God, no one is higher and no one is lower. Everyone is equal. Equality is God's will, that everyone knows. So if anyone trying to put someone high or low, that means that is manufactured God's will.